Pakistan's top court will hear an application opposing U.S. plans to expand its embassy in the capital, Islamabad. The Supreme Court's interventions have been sought on the ground that the U.S. move is posing a threat to the country's national security and sovereignty. Press TV's Kamran Yusuf reports from Islamabad.
This is the diplomatic enclave which hosts foreign missions in the Pakistani capital, Islamabad. The U.S. embassy is also located in this high security zone. Last year, the U.S. Embassy acquired additional land to expand its already huge premises in Pakistan. The United States intends to construct multi-story buildings that, according to local media reports, can accommodate 7,000 American personnel. The U.S. Embassy expansion plan has raised many suspicions here. That is why the move has now been challenged in the country's Supreme Court. Those who are opposing the U.S. plan believe that this is a threat to Pakistan's national security. Zafarullah Khan, who filed a petition with the Supreme Court, claims that the US is constructing a military base in Islamabad under the pretext of embassy expansion.
You can keep them 7,000 people there. This is not an embassy, this is a base in fact. And Pakistan doesn't allow any bases from outside the country. And you can do in a clandestine way, you are building a base in Pakistan and you have a lot of ammunition there. I mean, this is disturbing.
There are at least 10 similar petitions filed with the Supreme Court to stop any US embassy expansion. The petitioners argue that the huge presence of US officials on the Pakistani soil is meant for spying and other subversive activities.
When US is leaving along with the NATO and ISAF forces, it really is a million-dollar question that why US now needs expansion of its embassy in Islamabad. But people in Pakistan in general and media as well is quite skeptical of this expansion.
The US embassy here has denied any ulterior motive behind the expansion plan. But for now, it is up to the Supreme Court to decide on the issue. Kamran Yusuf, Press TV, Islamabad.